Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with S8 Plus. And find out the best one. Galaxy S10 Plus has 6.4-inch screen, with 526 pixels per inch. While S8 Plus has 6.2-inch screen, with 529 pixels per inch. However, S10 Plus is 0.3 mm thicker than S8 Plus. Both devices have improved camera setup, as S10 Plus has dual 10 and 8 megapixels front camera setup, and 212 with third 16 megapixels rear camera. While S8 Plus has 8 megapixels front camera, and 12 megapixels rear camera setup. S10 Plus will be available in 12 and 8 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage options. While S8 Plus is available in 6 and 4 GB RAM with up to 128 GB storage options. And, don't worry, both devices support extra storage. S10 Plus will operate under latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, with 2.7 Octa Core processor. While S8 Plus is working under Snapdragon 835 chipset, with 2.3 Octa Core processor. S10 Plus is equipped with 4100 mAh battery. While S8 Plus has 3500 mAh battery. S10 Plus will be available in $1,190, and S8 Plus is available in $530. Both smartphones have strong screen protection, and S10 Plus will operate under latest Android Pie, while S8 Plus is operating under Android Oreo. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options. Moreover, they also have water and dust IP protection with IP68 protection. Both devices can be used to pay any kind of bills, as they support mobile payment. Both smartphones do have wireless, as well as fast charging options. For security, both devices are equipped with fingerprint scanner, and S8 Plus also supports Face ID or face scan. S10 Plus will be available in prism white, black, green and many more colors. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.